Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fruit platter for any event, for birthday parties, for bridal shower, for baby shower, for henna parties, and any different kind of for parties. So let me start it. So I washed and cut it all the fruits, whatever we need. So be careful about the color combination of the fruits. So I put in the corner some plums and then some lychees, and I cut it kiwis. Also blueberries, I put it in a small golden container, look the best. Also I cut the peaches and nectarines and blackberries. So I want to add in this small box whole world entire, the exotics fruits, but I can't do it because this is small box. If you want to order the big box, you can order and I can make it for you. I hope you're gonna love it and start loving it. The I'm sorry, excuse me. I cut it in a mango for a cube shape and I put it there, some plum, some peaches, also grapes. There is two different kind of grapes, kiwi, and also I put the dragon fruit underneath of the mango. You can see a little bit. Also I put the dry lemon on the top of some fruits, and there is artificial rose flower, and there is breath on the white little flowers. I hope you guys love it. If you start loving it, let me know in the comment box and I will make another one for you guys. I try to make everything so nice and I hope you guys like it. I love it. If you love it, let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.